Stop settling for basic camping. Stop sign. I spent 500 hours testing the most insane Amazon survival gear that looks like it's from 2050 but fits in your backpack today. From a rooftop tent that inflates itself to a pocket-sized tool that replaces a whole shed, these 25 picks are about to turn you into a wilderness legend. Today, we're counting down 25 Amazon outdoor and survival gadgets that actually live up to the hype. Whether you're a hardcore prepper, a weekend glamper, or just someone who hates mosquitoes, I've found the Holy Grail of gear for you. I've personally vetted every single one of these and linked them in the description below so you can snag the best Amazon deals before they're gone. Trust me, number 14 is a literal lifesaver. First up, the Rhino USA Folding Survival Shovel. This isn't some plastic toy from a big box store. We're talking heavy-duty carbon steel with a powder-coated finish. It's an American-born, family-operated beast. It functions as a shovel, a pickaxe, and a hoe. At 22 inches extended, it'll dig you out of mud, snow, or sand, but it folds down to a tiny 9 by 6 inches. It's 2 pounds of pure don't-get-stuck insurance. Plus, a lifetime warranty? That's confidence you can't buy anywhere else. What's the worst place you've ever gotten a vehicle stuck? Tell me your stuck in the mud story in the comments. Check this out, the Yolani Inflatable Rooftop Tent. If you hate fumbling with tent poles in the dark, this is your solution. It inflates in under 10 minutes. It fits 3 people, has a 6-inch built-in mattress, and get this, it works on your roof, the ground, or even on water. The 300D Oxford fabric is waterproof and UV resistant. Those panoramic skylights? Pure magic for stargazing. It's basically a portable penthouse for your SUV. Would you trust an inflatable tent on top of your car? Type rooftop if you're ready to level up your camping game. Quick pause, fam. Check this out. According to my latest analytics, over 95% of you watching right now are enjoying the gear and the tips, but you aren't part of the official squad yet. That means you're seeing these insane product drops, but you're missing the notification for the limited time lightning deals and secret survival hacks I only share with the crew. Let's flip that script. Imagine if everyone watching hit that red button right now. This community would instantly become the biggest gear and survival squad on the planet. Rocket, do me a huge favor. Smash subscribe, turn on that bell, and drop a comment saying geared up so I can personally welcome you to the team. Let's be real, survival is hard, but surviving without caffeine is impossible. The Lebery Burr grinder is for the coffee snobs who refuse to drink instant dirt water. It's cordless, rechargeable, and features 38 adjustable grind settings. From ultra-fine espresso to coarse cold brew, this stainless steel conical mill does it all. One charge gets you 15 grinds. It's quiet, compact, and essential for any morning in the woods. Coffee or tea? What's your mandatory morning ritual in the wild? Let's settle the debate below. Before we move to the next heavy hitter, I've got something special for the serious preppers. I've made a dedicated Gumroad page for you guys where the entire gear collection is available in one place. If you're interested in having the full breakdown, specs, and my personal setup guides at your fingertips, simply check the description and open the link provided there. It's the ultimate shortcut to building your kit. Now that you know where to find a master list, let's keep this momentum going because product number 3 is about to prove that you don't have to sacrifice your morning luxury even in the middle of nowhere. When the sun goes down, you need the Lepwings Solar Lantern. This is a 6,000 milliamp hours powerhouse that lasts up to 80 hours. It's dimmable, waterproof, IPX4, and covers 300 square feet with a warm, cozy glow. But here's the kicker, it's also a power bank. In an emergency or a blackout, this charges your phone while lighting your path. Dual charging, USB or solar, means you're never left in the dark. Solar power versus battery. Which do you trust more for emergencies? Comment solar or battery. Also, we've officially launched our Gear Lab ESP channel for our Spanish-speaking crew. Check it out. The link is the channel description, and don't forget to subscribe to stay updated on all the latest gear and tips in Spanish. Want the fire without the smoke? The EcoNook portable propane fire pit delivers 50,000 BTUs of heat instantly. No wood, no ash, no smoky clothes. It's 17 inches of stainless steel perfection, complete with lava rocks and a locking lid. It's perfect for areas with fire restrictions or just for a clean night on patio. Total setup time? 0 tools required. Just plug and play. Smokeless propane or traditional wood fire. Which camp are you in? Let me know. If you aren't comfortable, you aren't camping. The WEKAPO Air Lounger requires NO pump. Just whisk it through the air, tie it off, and you have a sofa that holds 650 pounds. It has a patented pillow-shaped headrest and stays inflated for 5 to 6 hours. It even has a bottle opener and a ground stake, so it doesn't blow away while you're in the water. This is the ultimate beach and festival accessory. Tag a friend who would definitely fall off this thing. Faced with tears of joy, let's see who's the clumsiest in the comments. This is your lifeline. The Kepswin 49,800 milliamp hours solar power bank. This massive battery can charge a smartphone nearly 10 times. It's waterproof, dustproof, and features a triple-mode SOS flashlight. With USB-C fast charging and built-in solar backup, it's the ultimate bug-out tech. If you're a hiker or an emergency prepper, you cannot leave home without this much capacity in your pack. What's the one app you can't live without in the woods? Maps? Gamera. Tell me below. Nothing ruins a trip faster than mosquitoes. The KitMip 3-in-1 Bug Zapper is your tactical defense. It's a UV mosquito killer, a flashlight, and an SOS emergency light all in one. It's USB rechargeable and IPX5 waterproof. Perfect for the tent or the backyard. It's a 2-pack, so you can keep one in the car and one in the gear bag. Safe for kids, deadly for pests. Scale of 1 to 10. How much do you hate mosquitoes? I'm an 11. Stop sleeping on the cold ground. The Sportneer heavy-duty cot supports 450 pounds and comes with a 1.5-inch thick mattress pad. Most cots are stiff and noisy. This one feels like a real bed. It's made of 1200D Oxford fabric. That's incredibly tough and sets up in 10 seconds. It even has side pockets for your phone and glasses. It's the gold standard for outdoor sleep. Do you prefer a cot, a hammock, or an air mattress? I want to see the tally in the comments. Now, the Odolin 6-piece mess kit. For under $30, you get 2 non-stick pots, a stove, a cup, and a spork. It weighs just 1 pound and all fits into a tiny mesh bag. You can boil water in under 3 minutes. If you're a backpacker, weight is everything. And this kit gives you a full kitchen for the weight of a water bottle. It's the best value for money kit on Amazon, period. Water is your #1 priority in the wild, but bulky plastic tanks take up half your trunk. Enter the ITRAZ collapsible water containers. This is a 2-pack of 5.3-gallon jugs made from high-grade, BPA-free LDPE plastic. What makes these special? The patented leak-proof spigot. No gaskets to lose, no mess in your tent. Just a clean 1 gallon per minute flow. They handle extreme temperatures from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 127 degrees Fahrenheit. When you're done, they fold down into almost nothing. Whether it's an RV trip or a literal disaster prep scenario, these are the smartest way to carry 10 gallons of life-saving H2O. Do you store emergency water at home or just rely on the tap? Comment prepped if you have a 3-day supply ready to go. If your gear gets wet, the trip is over. The HEETA 40L waterproof backpack is built like a tank using 500D PVC and reinforced seams. Unlike those cheap, thin dry bags, this is a full-blown hiking pack with ergonomic padding and a weight-distributing waist belt. You just roll the top 3 times, clip it, and you're 100% submersible ready. It's got D-rings for your boat and quick access pockets for your keys. It's recycled, it's rugged, and it's the only bag I trust with my expensive camera gear when the clouds turn gray. What's the most expensive thing you've ever had ruined by rain? Let's grieve together in the comments. Loudly crying face. Forget heavy tents. The HGYI camping hammock is your 2.5-pound portable bedroom. Made of 210T parachute nylon with triple stitching, it holds up to 500 pounds. But the real MVP feature is the integrated high-density mosquito net. It zips you into a bug-free sanctuary so you can actually sleep in the woods without being eaten alive. It comes with 10-foot tree straps and 18 adjustment loops. No knots required. It's literally a 1-minute setup for a lifetime of better sleep. Are you Team Tent or Team Hammock? Tent versus Evergreen Tree. Drop your vote below. You know the name, the Bell plus Howl Tack Light. This 3-pack is the ultimate bang for your buck in tactical lighting. These aircraft-grade aluminum torches are 40 times brighter than your average flashlight. We're talking 1,600 lumens with a zoomable lens that can reach 5 miles. With 5 modes including SOS and strobe. These are built for emergencies. Throw one in the glove box, one in the kitchen, and one in your bug-out bag. At this price point for a 3-pack, there's no excuse to be in the dark. How many flashlights do you currently own? Be honest, I have about 15. Tell me your number. For the ultralight backpackers, stop carrying a full silverware set. The OUTXE titanium spork weighs just 0.7 ounces. Titanium is 50% lighter than steel, but way stronger than plastic. It won't snap when you're digging into a frozen meal. It's non-toxic, allergy-free, and dishwasher-safe. You get 2 in a pack with a quick dry pouch. This is a buy-it-once-and-use-it-forever tool. It's the ultimate eco-friendly upgrade for your mess kit. What's the weirdest thing you've ever used as a spoon when you forgot yours? I once used a tent stake. Rolling on a floor laughing, comment your stories. Traditional headlamps give you tunnel vision. The Moeller LED headlamp gives you a 230-degree panoramic view. It's like having a stadium light strapped to your forehead. It weighs only 2.6 ounces and features a motion sensor. Just wave your hand to turn it on or off when your fingers are messy or cold. It's USB-C rechargeable and weatherproof. Whether you're running, hiking, or fixing a leak under the sink, this is the hands-free light of the future. Would you prefer a motion sensor light or a traditional button? Type wave or click. Real bushcraft cooking needs real steel. The Red Camp folding grill is made of heavy-duty cold-rolled steel with a diamond mesh top. It's designed specifically for open-flame cooking. It's large enough to hold multiple pots, but folds down to a tiny 11 by 15 inches. If you're tired of balancing your pans on rocks and hoping they don't tip over, this is the stability you need. It's 6.6 pounds of pure outdoor kitchen reliability. What's your go-to campfire meal? Steak, beans, or just roasted marshmallows? Let me know. This is the chef's choice of camping. The Fine Flame 3-burner stove isn't just a stove. It has a downward-facing toaster burner. Yes, you can actually have hot buttered toast in the middle of the woods. It packs 20,400 BTUs of power, has built-in wind guards, and works with standard 16-ounce propane tanks. It's got a carry handle and weighs only 10 pounds. If you're car camping with a family, this is how you become Who's the Chef in your camping group? Tag them in the comments. Day 3 of a hike and feeling, right? The HEETA solar shower uses the sun to heat 5 gallons of water to 113 degrees Fahrenheit in just 3 hours. No gas, no batteries, just physics. It features an upgraded shower head with an on-off switch so you don't waste a drop. It's not just for you, either. It's perfect for washing dishes or cleaning off a muddy dog before they jump in the car. It's a 1-pound luxury that changes everything. How many days can you go without a shower before you lose your mind? I'm a 2-day max guy. Tell me your limit. Next up we have the Yokomizu heated blanket. This 50 by 60 inch flannel and Sherpa throw isn't just for the couch. It has wearable buttons, so it stays on your shoulders like a cape while you're sitting by the fire. With 9 heat levels and a 10-hour auto off, it's the ultimate way to stay warm in a cold tent or a drafty cabin. It's soft, it's fast heating, and honestly, it's the best gift you could give any outdoor lover. Who do you know that is always cold? Tag them. They need this. If you've ever felt trapped in a tight mummy bag, the Kelty Rambler 50 is your escape plan. This isn't just a sleeping bag, it's a transformer. Thanks to that unique J-shaped zipper, it unzips completely into a full-size camping blanket. It's stuffed with Cloud Loft synthetic insulation, making it the king of summer camping. It's lightweight at under 3 pounds and compresses down to fit in any backpack. Made right here in the USA, it's built for those who want room to kick their feet, but still need that cozy, insulated feel when the desert or mountain breeze hits. Are you a mummy bag sleeper, or do you need room to move? Comment mummy or rebel below. For my ultralight hikers, every ounce is a battle. The Nature High Compact Sleeping Bag weighs a staggering 1.68 pounds. It's the size of a cantaloupe when compressed. Don't let the size fool you. It's rated for 32 degrees Fahrenheit to 59 degrees Fahrenheit and features imitation silk cotton that stays warm even if it gets damp. The 320D nylon shell is tear-resistant and waterproof, making it the perfect just-in-case bag for your truck or your thru-hiking pack. If you value pack space above all else, this is your winner. What's the lightest piece of gear in your pack? Tell me the weight in the comments. Organization is the difference between a relaxing trip and a stressful one. This 38L tactical storage bag is a beast. It's built with 600D nylon and reinforced with embedded steel plates, so it never collapses, even when empty. It's got a built-in combination lock for your gear security and a waterproof bottom, so you can set it in the mud without a worry. With maul straps on the outside and customizable Velcro dividers inside, it's basically a portable fortress for your cooking gear or electronics. This is how the pros organize their trunks. Is your camp gear organized in bins or just thrown in the trunk? Be honest. Type pro or chaos. If you have back pain, listen up. The Nature Hike Army Wild Cot is 67% stronger than standard cots because it uses aircraft-grade 7075 aluminum. But here is the game changer. It's height adjustable. You can set it low to the ground for small tents or raise it to 15 inches to stay far away from the cold, damp earth. It's breathable, anti-static, and supports up to 330 pounds while weighing only 6.6 pounds. It's more comfortable than most hotel beds I've stayed in. Seriously, would you trade your air mattress for a high-tension cot? Let's hear your thoughts. Cold hands can ruin a hunt or a hike in minutes. These WEKAPO UT4 magnetic hand warmers are the 2026 gold standard. They are ultra-slim, card-style heaters that fit perfectly in your gloves. They heat up in just 2 seconds and last for 8 hours. Because they're magnetic, they stick together in your pocket, where you can split them up to warm both hands simultaneously. They are UL certified and water-resistant. No more disposable hotties, just pure, rechargeable warmth at the touch of a button. Who's the person in your life who always has cold hands? Tag them right now. They need these for Christmas. There you have it, fam. 25 Amazon survival and outdoor gadgets that are officially 2026 approved. Whether you're building a bug-out bag or just leveling up your backyard barbecue, these are the tools that'll make you the most prepared person in the room. Remember, every single product we talked about today is linked in the description below with the latest Amazon discounts. I update those links daily, so if you saw something you like, grab it before the price jumps back up. If this video helped you find your next favorite piece of gear, smash that like button. It tells YouTube this content is actually helpful. And if you haven't yet, join the 5% of legends who are already subscribed so you never miss a gear drop. Stay prepared, stay sharp, and I'll see you out on the trail. Peace.